Hi everyone, Anders Larsson here, and I have a new video that I recently created. In just a moment I will talk about long-term success, how to decide the best affiliate marketing program for beginners. But first, in case you want to start your own YouTube channel or already have one, I want to share my solution to spending way too much time creating content. I know that some of you watching this right now have a YouTube channel, and you might be annoyed by how long it takes to make one video. However, recently I have been using this video creation system that saves me so much time and can generate videos that are hard to make using an ordinary video editor. You know you want your videos out there to get views on your channel. By doing that, you can recommend that people buy the products that you use in your business. As a result, you earn a passive income. For anyone that doesn't have a YouTube channel, I will give you the opportunity to start a YouTube channel and use this tool so that you can make money as well. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description or in the comment section. You can now combine this with a system that will assist your audience in starting a legitimate online business. This is the same system I've been using in my business since 2019. This is also where I got my first real education in affiliate marketing. But this system is for more serious people that want to become 5, 6 or 7-digit earners. It is like a community with personal coaches that help people become successful. I will talk more about it at the end of the video because I know a lot of you guys aren't aware of the potential of such a system can have in your business. Anyway, without further ado, Brian will take over and discuss long-term success, how to decide the best affiliate marketing program for beginners. Brian, it's your turn.
Thank you, Anders. When selecting the ideal affiliate program with which to begin, there are a few things to keep in mind. You should investigate each program's features, the markets it serves, and the caliber of both its digital and tangible products. Consider whether investing time and effort in promoting these products on your website and social media is something you want to do. The ease of use is another consideration while choosing the best affiliate program for individuals who are just getting started. Read reviews on the dashboards of the programs, the level of assistance provided to affiliates, and the software as a service, SaaS, tools offered for people without an experience in web building or technology. You may want to locate a service that can manage this if you are not experienced with creating a WordPress website, email marketing, creating lead pages, or even using plugins. Only take into account programs that will benefit from your joining their network. Consider switching to a different program if you notice affiliates moaning about the absence of real-time help or how challenging it was to sign up at first. The affiliate marketing program you select should also have a defined reward structure that is well written and presented. If there are complaints about PayPal payments not being processed, payouts not being made on time, or anything else similar, you will probably do better choosing a network that truly compensates you for your efforts. The number of merchants currently supported by an affiliate network or program should be taken into account when choosing the best fit. It can be preferable to look for something that is at least making money for others if there aren't many successful affiliates marketing and selling the product. After all, there is no reason to invest time and resources in promoting something with such a little likelihood of success. Alright? Over to you, Anders.
Thank you, Brian, for sharing this. So, my main way to make money online is by using a system for digital marketers. I joined this system in 2019 and it really made a big impact on my journey to success. Once I got access to this amazing digital marketing training in this system, I understood that this is just a simple process of learning and teaching. Apply it to yourself and then teach another person how to do it. What does that mean then? Basically, I take one gold nugget in the training I'm doing that day. And because I already know what's important to me, well, it's a gold nugget. I can put all myself into a powerful moment. Now I have something to share with my audience, and this is what you should be doing as an influencer. When you show someone else how to do something, it really helps you remember how to do it yourself. And I'm talking about things that you recently have learned. It can be very simple things that a lot of us take for granted, that have a lot of value for someone that is just learning something for the first time. It is easy to forget how powerful something is that we already know. I'm sure there are other people out there who could use that information. So let's talk about getting content from a reliable source. So there are a lot of people out there who just copy stuff without actually understanding how things functions. So it's crucial that you acquire your educational content from a reliable source. So with copied content, I mean that people take the content from someone else and use it to make their own content. So what are we left with? Well, if the source is created by someone or something, it could be a bot that doesn't know what they are talking about, then someone else will create new content from that. We pretty much have garbage that is all over the internet. Good luck getting anything out of that, I'll say. I'm so happy I joined the program I use for my business so I could get the right education. I put a link to it in the description. If you want to check it out, it is there for your convenience. This will take you to my landing page. If you're not interested in my free video training, I will provide a red button on that page that will take you to one of the landing pages of the system that I'm using. You can get started on it right away. This might be the best way to get from where you are now to where you want to be. It is all about making money by helping people, not by taking advantage of them. Why not hit the like button if you discovered anything new that you thought was important enough to remember. This will absolutely help my YouTube channel grow. Also, if you want to see more videos from me, click subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified when I upload a new video. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.